Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD, gold US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold US dollar, and you can see I'm in the weekly time frame. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a big fan of multi time frame analysis. Okay, so here we can see that weekly chart is very much bullish. There is no doubt about it. Okay, and this week market has formed a green candle. Previous week market took support at this support level 1085 level 1805 level. Okay, from there market took support and market formed a hammer kind of a pattern, and right now market has formed a green candle. So overall structure of the chart is very bullish, so there is no doubt about it. Okay, now let's switch to our beloved 4 hours time frame. So one thing that is clear to us, that market has got good support at this particular level 1805 level. Okay, this is the support that is on the weekly chart. This is the best buying position. Okay, and overall considering the trend of the market, as we all know, okay, market is an uptrend, therefore we should only be looking for buying opportunities. If we short the market, then we will be going against the trend, and there will be a high possibility that we will get trapped. And as I always say in my videos, that before going for any order, executing any order, we should always look for the area of value. Area of value in an uptrend market is always near this support. Okay, therefore in this chart, the best area of value and the best trading opportunity is this level. Okay, this is our first level 1805 level. But as of now, you can see that market is trading at 1867 level. Market is quite far away. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, so if we go for a buy order right here, then our risk to reward ratio does not match, because if we buy here, our stop loss will be somewhere around here below this 50 moving average, because we can see that 50 moving average is acting as a valid support for the market, because see, it is providing support here and here. So on numerous occasions 50 moving average has provided support to the market, so it is a valid support. So the second best position or the second best entry will be near this support or the 50 moving average. Okay, and right now you can see that after forming this huge green candle, market is making small candles. Okay, and market is also in the overbought zone. So considering the current candle formation and the overbought zone, we should be waiting for the market to come down to our price zone. You also know it very well, and I have already spoken in my videos that you should not chase the market. Okay, wait for the market to come to you so that you get the best price. Therefore wait for the market to come down, wait for the market for a pullback, so that you can get the best price. Here the best price as of now is this 50 moving average level. So let the price come to you. Okay, so wait for the market to come down to the oversold zone. So when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, this zone, then just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is about to go up again, see, this is an oscillating indicator. Its duty is to go up down. Okay, so once it comes down to the oversold zone, it will be going up again. When stochastic RSI will be going up again, then just look at the position of the price. If you find price taking support at the 50 moving average, then it's a sweet spot, you can go for a buy. Once you spot candlestick patterns like hammer or a green candle like this, okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, market is still taking support, considering 50 MA as a valid support, you can go for a buy at the 50 moving average. On the other hand, okay, if you see that Stochastic RSI is about to go up, but market is taking support somewhere around here at this level. Then also this is also a good trading opportunity or a good buying opportunity, this level. And the level is 1845. Okay, so what should you do now? Right now market is in overbought zone. Okay, so wait for the market to come down to the oversold zone, or wait for the market to come down to the best area of value or the best price. Okay, do not take any impulsive trade. Let the price come to you, then only you should go for the order. Okay, let the price come to the 50 moving average. Okay, or let the price come to this 1845 level, then only you should be looking for the buying opportunity. Okay, as of now wait for the market to come to you. Okay, and just wait and watch. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.